oedden ni'n siomedig iawn i beidio curo wsos dwytha. A chwarae teg i'r hogyn ma'n dod i mewn i fan hyn heddiw, obviously ar y surface gwahanol. O'n i'n meddwl yn personol, fel fyswn ni'n deud, oedden ni'n llawn pwynt neu dipyn bach mwy.
You know, chances in the first half, yes, you could say that we should have converted them. You know, George Pearce and Danny have scored nearly 20 goals each this season, you know, and it just didn't fall for them, really. So, you know, that we just dust ourselves down and we go Tuesday.
Luke, man of the match performance, what a game.
Yeah, if you say so, managed to get in the way of a couple, which is nice. You know, we were under no illusion how tough it would be, and that if we were going to get anything, that like I probably would need to have a decent game. I've been coming here for quite a few years, and I think that probably the first point I've ever had here. I've had a few drum-ins, a couple of close ones, but yeah, I think that probably is the first point. So yeah, nice. You know, we got the goal to go one up, and you probably get a little bit greedy thinking we could get all the three here, but yeah, we're happy with the point in the end.
Wel, dyna mynd i trio wneud efo'r hogia i datblygu i aros mewn gem. Gyda ni hogia sydd fedru sgorio gols, a fedra ni just cadw bach yn dyn. A dyna beth da ni'n trio'n gweithio basically yn galad. Da ni dyri pwynt arall ar y bwrdd heddiw. A un fi bersonol, gyda ni gem o'r wrsos nesa, Gresford Gartref. A dim mae'n fyny ni, fel dwi wedi rhoi, dy'r ots amdano neb arall, be da ni'n neud ydy'r peth mwyaf, ac os da ni cael 3 points wrth nesaf, dwi'n meddwl da ni'n saff.
7 games to go, you've got a game in hand on Colwyn Bay, there's a 4-point gap, advantage Colwyn Bay.
Of course, yeah, you know, it is, with the points difference, you know, I can't really see them losing. To be honest, but all we've got to do is focus on us and make sure we get back to winning ways. You know, we haven't lost the game, we're still in it, we'll still push all the way, and you know, like I say, that'll start on Tuesday with Cly.
I think George up front for that will probably think he could have put a couple away, and he normally does. He normally scores against me. But yeah, like I say, he managed to keep a couple out. Like I say, the highlights will show that, but what they won't show is, you know, the lads that have got to, you know, run round all game that I haven't got to do. So I'm always indebted to them as well, I guess. But yeah, nice to keep a couple out, and you know, for you boys to be here on the day that I do it.